So I'm checking in again on our new Aiper Seagull Pro, the cordless vacuum for pools. This works on vinyl pools and in-ground, I don't know what it's called. Ours is not gunite, the poured pool. But I'm liking this feature a lot. This is a ledge below our grotto waterfall, and it's climbing that wall as well, which sometimes it's hard to brush that one off. So I'm liking it. I also noticed that the light in it, and I don't think you can see it, is turning red, meaning he's probably getting towards the end of his journey. But I am super impressed with how debris-free this pool is. And we're in a drought right now, probably like the rest of the country. So a lot of dust has blown in, and just, you know, lots of dried leaves and things. And this guy's doing a great job. I'm really impressed. So next we'll remove him and see what's in his basket.